Hello everybody, welcome to our Story Lab video. Today we are going to be doing story extensions. So if you look at this card here, it says, how can you extend the story? Now extend means make it go longer. So in this picture, the boy and the girl look like they're reading a book like it looks like Spilled Milk. That's actually a book that we haven't yet read in class, but in the book, they see a little white blob, right? So their job at the end of the book is to think, how can they make that story go longer? So maybe they pretend that the white blob looks like a pig, or maybe they pretend that the white blob looks like a bunny. Your job today is to remember that and look at this card and think about, how can I make our story go longer? So I'm going to tape that right here so you remember. And the story we are going to read is called I Went Walking. It's written by somebody named Sue Williams and illustrated, that means drawn, by somebody named Julie Vivas. So your job is to listen along. And at the very end of the story, you're going to think of a way that we can make this story longer. How can we extend the story? Okay, so here we go. I went walking. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a black cat looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I wonder what this is going to be. I saw a brown horse looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a red cow looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a green duck looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? Oh my goodness. I saw a pink pig looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? I saw a yellow dog looking at me. I went walking. What did you see? Look at all these different animals following him now. That's so silly. Let's see what he sees. I saw a lot of animals following me. Oh my goodness. That is so silly. So remember, your job today was to think about how can you extend the story, right? So what I'm going to need you to do is find a piece of paper, and families, if you can help your child to draw 2 lines on their paper, 1 line for their name, and then 1 line to separate where we're going to draw our picture and where we're going to write our message. After you have that, you need to think in your brains. You need to think, what other animal could the boy have passed by when he was walking? We passed by, let's see, the yellow dog. He passed, the green duck. What other animals? Ooh, I know. Maybe he passed a cat, right? So I am going to draw a brown cat. I'm going to get out a marker that's brown. And I'm going to start off by drawing my picture right here. I'm going to draw my cat. So when I draw a cat, I do it like this. I go around and close, and then I do slant up, slant down, slant up, slant down. And I make 2 dots for eyes, and then I do little mouth, mouth, maybe some whiskers. Right? That looks like a cat to me. So once you're done with your picture, you need to do two more things. You need to write your name on the top, and you're going to write a message. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to write Miss Hutchinson. I'm going to write that on the line. And then below here, I need to write my message. And your message is going to go like this, just like in the book, right? We're going to say, I saw a brown cat. We're going to write it like this. Ready? I saw a brown cat. Right? And don't forget the period at the end. Let's just check it to make sure we did it right, right? I saw a brown cat. Pretty good, right? So I'm just going to fill in those letters. I saw a brown. Okay, I need to think. How do I spell cat? K-k-at. C-A-T, right? C-A-T. I saw a brown cat. So that's how I extended my story. I made the story longer by adding another animal at the end that the boy could have saw when he was walking. So your job is to get a piece of paper and think about what animals he might have walked by. And you could be as silly as you want. It could be real, or maybe it could be pretend too. Maybe he sees a unicorn, right? Or maybe he sees a fishy, or maybe a squirrel, or I don't know, maybe a rooster, a lion, any of those animals you like. Your job is to draw the picture and then try to write those lines. For I saw a, whatever animal you think. I can't wait to see your amazing ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.